What will we soon come back?
MTM never say never here.
This is our little story and a true thing. Two hearts come together in a mutual win. Keeping it together with a real life. Welcome to the family, this is our life. It's perfect. I'll just set you here for me. You're the sugar to my tea. Meet the Mitchell family.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. Today is a farm day. We're so excited. So yeah, let's go. All right, guys. So we are on our way. Okay, Ozzy Boozy and Momo are not coming with us. The farm is a little treacherous for Ozzy right now because he is so mobile. But there are lots of like little. We can't even no more bustling. I'm telling the truth. So they're gonna stay. It was a big long discussion between all of us, and Mom was like, you know, this is true, we are gonna stay. Tessie's in the car behind us, where Alex is as well, and Brandon and Zai, and the boys are here, and we're ready to go. So we're all packed up and looking forward to a fun day out. We'll be back before the curfew.
And the reason why Zai can come is because she not up and down and active like
Ozzy Boozy.
Like Ozzy,
she's up in arms and she's not walking yet, so we can't wait for that stage. I know everybody's like, take Ozzy. You don't understand. We would have burned about 4,000 calories today. I follow Ozzy Boozy. So
facts.
yeah, so we're on our way now. And yeah, so we're doing this on Saturday because you know kind of the little culmination of the whole weekend for you guys. So enjoy. Are you boys excited? Yeah. Atlas, let's give an update on your lip. How is it feeling?
Good.
Still a little swollen?
No.
A little bit, but the cut seems fine.
Yeah, under his nose.
Sweet boy.
Yeah, even my chin is fine.
Say again?
Even my chin is like
his chest.
I can feel something under it.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
That white stuff is just a little neosporin on it. So very good. Thanks for all of the love you guys showed Atlas, sending so many well wishes for him. He's a champ, truly a champion. Unlike me, he's still a ball. Tell the truth.
Right? Trust me. I was close to tears.
Oh no, thanks for all of the messages that came out to you to say poor Wayne. He looks like he's about to cry.
Yeah, no, I was right there.
I know.
There. You know, I full up and I just one blink and tears drop.
I
just had to be strong because I saw Atlas being strong. I was like, you know what?
You can be strong.
I mean, now my father lost my bathroom.
No, the worst part of that whole thing, guys, honestly, was editing it because I had to keep reliving it. But it's fine.
Yeah, we're there down at the river, you know. I go and will invite people. I mean them Cane Marshall people. Yeah.
Wait, let's bring this one around. Oh, a little river flex for these lads. It's river is beautiful. Yay!
Mommy, look how many drops I see.
Okay, wow.
What is this stuff?
Yeah, look who's headed to the river. Go Alex, go Alex.
Help me, Molly! Molly! Molly!
I can't walk in the rocks.
Town man for bottom me having
Daddy, can I have a ride on the quad?
a lie.
On the rocks.
Daddy,
Oh no.
Daddy, Daddy,
Hush,
can
my
I have
dog.
a ride on the quad?
Uptown life, dog.
I want to drive.
You ready to drive?
Yeah.
You ready to come out now?
I want to go on the ride on the quad.
Alright. Leaving the road away. Atlas, ready? Hold on tight. We're going downhill now. Alright? Wait. Hold on to my feet.
I'll hold on and you hold on.
Alright, we're going to turn around, okay?
Yeah?
Watch my vlog at Atlas. Whoa! Oh, this is super fun.
Auntie Sarah, so happy to see that this looks so good. Wow, I heard you were so brave, my love. Look at it now, it looks so good. You're such a great healer.
I just rode a whole quad that was noisy.
I saw the whole quad you were riding. The whole quad you were riding that was noisy with your dad.
I just rode a whole quad with Dad. Dad, can I drive a quad?
Yeah. Just say a prayer. And boys, you know, boys will be boys. You have to make them live like a life. So the thing go. Farm with the people, so you have to enjoy.
Wow, Atlas, this looks like fun. I think I'm gonna come and join you. Yeah? I didn't make it in the river like I planned. Maybe next time. So we're running in now to beat the curfew, so let's go.
Hey, East. Until next time. Meow no.
Atlas, that's good drumming. I liked it. How's your lip feeling today?
Daddy in the room.
No. How's your lip feeling today?
I follow this.
Follow what?
Me.
Okay.
Then who is this?
Ozzy! I wonder if it's the next Atlas this. Can't take another one at Atlas in the house, you know?
Yeah.
Speak of an angel, and he shall appear.
He's wrestling me.
Atlas, no.
He's wrestling. He's wrestling me.
Gosh.
Ah.
When me in my room,
I
when
love
I
you.
wake me up with craziness. When me sleep in a phone. Oh my god. Oh my god. MTM, come save me now, please.
Look how many skin you have.
We're watching Formula One and it's too intense. I don't even know if you're brief showing in this way. This is a lot.
Lewis Hamilton. Lewis Hamilton was saying, watch out.
Oh my god, hold on, wait. Is who that?
Gasly that.
That's the lower down, yeah. Ooh, Gasly cannot get Ricardo,
The
please.
track wet people.
She's a rough one. What will we soon come back?
MTM never say never hear. Cause me never know say Formula One would have been something I could have sit down and watch. Like me never into it none at all. Netflix, watch it, thank me later.
Oh, Lando!
Who's got the DRS this time? It is not Charles Leclerc, and it is Lewis Hamilton. That's why Hamilton needs to blast past that Ferrari. Very much is what he needed. So he blasts past that Ferrari.
Oh my god!
Careful, Lewis. Lewis Hamilton.
Lewis! Oh my god! Look at this! Look at this! Look at this!
What's your take out? What's your take out? What's your take out?
Oh, sweet!
Them can't say Lewis Hamilton
Can't drive! Oh my god!
Lewis Hamilton a boss from 9th place right back in a 2.
Ooh!
And don't make him get within 3 seconds of Verstappen right now. Cause you're gonna see what happened.
What lap was that? 60? 3 laps,
3 laps to go. But Verstappen is 20 seconds ahead.
It
Verstappen
can't,
gone.
but at least he made it from 9th to 2nd.
And guess what? Hamilton communicate and say a P2 him a look, at 2nd place him a look. He
Woo!
not try get Verstappen because he know
Woo!
an animal.
Alright guys, so we just finished our Formula One and now we are at Fresh Approach, which is a Chinese supermarket. I have not been here in a long time, but my brothers and my sister on the family chat keep taunting me with all of this food, and so I said I'd come here today and pick up some stuff.
I ever put on a mask before you
I don't know. I don't know. It's a new mask. It smells nice.
Yeah, observe protocol.
Yeah. You coming in with me? You've never been in here?
Mm-mm.
You've never been in here.
Mm-mm.
Alright. I don't know if they'll let us film. We'll see. Jackson Love.
What am I?
Salvos at Jackson Love.
Yeah.
Season veg.
It's coming like on Chinatown, bro. All things Chinese.
Yeah. And look. Fachong.
I don't even know what is Tami.
Think about.
Tami, this is legitimately a Chinese place. Not for the thing them are right in a Chinese, you don't even know what them.
We have a large Chinese community in Jamaica. What do you mean?
Put it.
Yeah, with the black bean.
That was.
It's like a type of fish, like in a black bean sauce, and we eat it with the rice and the bean curd, and it's so good. I gotta get 2 of them.
Tami,
And
come
here
like
though,
your childhood I get activating here.
it is. Oh my god. Oh crap.
Yeah, pick up our next one, Tami.
No, it will stay under there and don't get used. Mad. You see guys, my family sent me pictures like this and it just made me really want it. So I'm recreating it. I used to love these. Oh my god, I used to love these. They're the best. The kids are gonna love that. OMG.
You know, we'll
This is
never
so
see that
fun.
yet, right?
You're gonna love it. We're gonna eat in the car. What's this? What's this?
What a-
Yeah.
Wait,
What do you think it is?
No. No. Explain to me what this. Come now.
I don't know. Is it real?
No, explain to me what this. Was it like a snack?
Yes.
Dry?
Yeah.
Dry
Some of
chicken
this
foot?
stuff. Oh my god. This is what's up. I have to learn. I have to learn.
People, the only thing I recognize in there is Chinese sweetie.
Oh, we need some of those for sure.
That's about it.
Oh my god. Yes. No, regular farchang and then the tin fish with the black bean.
Yes.
With the bean curd and the rice. I'm very excited. I'll probably do a fake cooking show.
You're really tough. I'm the one who always suggests some more the fake cooking
It's
show.
true, it's true. I'm here to get, I'm going to get a steaming basket now.
Okay.
And 2 little bowls. Because you know it don't taste good unless you have your bowl. I need to get one of these bowls. Wayne, you remember how I said to you I wanted bowls like this? And look, they're here.
Tami, you're like a pig in
Imagine Jaja meal in these days.
Oh, I know them, my mother full of them in the house and call them China.
No, it's not.
One boss. Respect, man.
Oh, look at these.
My mother full of them bowl at time, make her go check her for them.
No, honey. Love them. So happy right now.
This is the first but not the last time you're going to see Tami in this place. She's going crazy.
Every time I smell it, I think about my grandfather.
Well,
I'm going to get a couple.
what you call them? So the all-purpose soap.
Carbolic.
It can bathe with, it can wash clothes, it can do all kind of
I'm
something.
going to get one.
Sentimental value.
So nice. I am so happy about that. I really haven't been here in years. And big up to my family who literally brought up all of these like things that they were eating this weekend and reminded me, made me feel for it so bad. But if you guys want to check out this Chinese supermarket, Fresh Approach is a pretty popular one, and it's off of Constant Spring Road, and it's not just a Chinese supermarket, so it has other things in there too.
A whole heap of things in there.
Yeah, like I had to pick up like formula and bread and all that stuff, so it's all there.
But you definitely will find some things in there unique to Chinese culture that you won't find at any other supermarket.
Yeah, like you know the things that you just wouldn't normally find other places. Really nice.
At the first, never see somebody go supermarket and buy bowl. You ever see that type of
Wayne,
thing?
I'm so happy about the bowls. And you know who else is gonna be
About
happy?
half dozen dish she buy.
No. I only bought 4 of each. A larger one and a smaller one. MoMo is gonna love it.
The food, she said the food not taste as nice if you not eat it out of the bowl.
It's true. I'm not being funny. I'm dead serious. So you guys are gonna have a different dinner to me today because I don't think you guys are gonna eat this. But I'm gonna eat it.
You know, say for somebody with a good percentage of Chinese, you don't favor Chinese.
So
but that was a good experience. That was
it
a
was.
unique experience.
And I picked up some of the Chinese plums for the boys to try because they've never had that. You know, I don't know if you've ever had it. It come in a blue and white bag. You know them, babe? And you open it out and it's like a little wetty plum and it's sweet. I love
Chinese
those.
sweet to me like are the
Wamoy.
Wawa?
Yeah, the salty one, the soury one.
Wawa?
Wamoy, but anyway.
Wawa.
But you know how that tastes the best?
Eh?
With water. And somebody messaged me the other day and them
With
said them think
water.
that we're making it wrong. They think it's actually supposed to make a drink. I was like, this will make the baddest juice. So Wamoy tastes really good with water, or it tastes good in a beer. When you put that in a beer, you feel good.
Yo, when me eat the Chinese sweet, all the whole day me have the seed I juggle them.
I also got
Rough.
some noodles. Tessie suggested some noodles, but she says that they have these very extra hot noodles. So these aren't the extra hot, but they're hot. So I'll try those too. We'll see. Maybe we could do a challenge. And then I got sobos for Jax and pot stickers. I even got some frozen lychee, which I'm really excited about.
I will try that.
The noodles?
The lychee.
Oh.
Yo, the cane. We buy some cane right out of Linstead there, so right out of the you know that roundabout there, so them sell all of the fruits. And the cane, the sweetest cane never eaten in my life. What?
Oh gosh, I just missed a call from Pat. So Pat is my dear friend. Her mom is Chinese and she makes some of the most amazing food. So, and it's very nostalgic for me because, you know, my grandmother isn't here anymore, so she can't cook certain things for me anymore, like juk. And juk is like a Chinese rice porridge. Some people call it, what do they call it again? Some people call it, Lord, when it kanji.
Kanji.
But
She makes something.
She makes the best juk ever. She makes it like my grandma. So she's dropping off some for me. And she mentioned that she's going to put a duck egg in there, which I've never had, so I'm nervous about that.
Duck egg in the juk?
Yes.
Really? Oh,
Yes.
do?
They put it in there and they boil whole like.
So everybody just get a piece of the egg?
Well, we're gonna see, but I'm very excited about the juk. I'm gonna have a full Chinese day today.
Yeah, tell you.
So I'll have juk for lunch because that's coming now, and then I'll do my rice and fish and black bean and bean curd for dinner.
too, you know. No, I'm there for the roll today, sorry. Me done. Juk girl. You remember that holiday? Don't send her to come save me, though, because she's just as bad as me, people. She just go on like.
I have to call back Pat. Alright, let me do that now. Wayne does not understand the excitement. Oh, I got this because it just smells. Is your favorite?
Carbolic soap.
You can have
real
it.
carbolic soap. This is
Before the blue soap.
grandmother. My
My
grandmother.
grandfather, it remind me of.
Grandmother.
Smell it,
If you
Maureen.
smell this, all people smell
Oh
so
my
for true.
gosh, don't it?
A real thing. No, but now that the smell come up in my nose, when I go to country.
But then use it at this me grow up with enough. This.
But look, Wayne don't understand the excitement when I bring home things like this. Sweetie! You know, don't it? Him say him not understand how we get excited over bowl. Wait, then I'm not of course. Look here.
Me eat ramen raisin.
Nicey.
And then you put a little cherry on the top.
I'm going to show you a sweetie I got for you boys to try. I got a sweetie for you guys to try. Let me cut this back. Oh, we got Chinese supermarket. Oh, you did? Yeah, so look how you do it, right? You open it out. And then when you look inside, it comes in another piece of paper. Hold on, Atlas. Let me show you. Jack, here, open one in the meantime. And then I'm going to help you. And then it has one more wrapping inside. And then I used to turn it out like this. And I used to put him out. And then I used to suck off the paper like this. Sagabak?
Stagabat them call it?
What? This?
Yeah.
No?
This is what kind of sweet it.
Try it.
It is bit.
No, it's not bitter. It's lovely. It's sweet and nice.
It's like a fruit, right? Dried fruit or something?
And then Jackson, look what else I got for you.
This is right.
And Jack's Atlas. Sabas! It's like sweet butter.
Mom?
Alright guys, so here's a juk and a little bean curd and so on top. I told you it's like a rice porridge, but it's savory. So it has chicken in there and it's just really, really good flavor. So you know when I make the white soup, it's kind of like that same base. Meaning the soup with the bone broth that I pour over the rice is basically the same thing, but boiled down to a porridge. Love it. And look for my new bowl. Jackson is trying the spicy noodles, which Alex and I were like, it's too spicy. But he's managing. Jax, don't eat all of them. Just a few little more bites, okay?
Oh, don't tell me.
It's hot. It's hot. It's hot. Come in.
Oh my gosh, this guy just did his first spicy noodle challenge. I can see that it's not going too well.
The videos encourage me to do this.
How was it?
Pretty good, actually. It didn't trouble me that much, but now the end is troubling me a lot. Imagine how much trouble it is to go back.
Ooh. Hello. You want my ice, but this ice is a little bit too nice. No, you can't manage this. But take care of me. Okay.
Guys, we were doing so well. Then earlier, Atlas picked off a little bit, but just now, Ozzy scraped it off while they were play fighting. And scraped off the rest of it. Even though it's so funny because I just cut Ozzy's nails. Ozzy. Hug your brother and tell him sorry. Tell Atlas sorry. Hug up your brother. Atlas, how is it feeling? I just cleaned it up and I put some spray Neosporin on it.
Before
It's so raw, it can't take anything.
Before it looked like this, it was just blood.
Scab too.
So, MTM, this is the culmination of China Day. Official MTM Chinese Day was today, and this is how it all came together. With Tami fixing up some pot stickers for us with some what do you call the sausage stand?
Oh, Fa Chong.
Fa Chong
And chai sim. And
it's
then I made a
actually
dipping sauce.
very good. Me taste it already, people. It's shot.
Show
Yeah.
them the dipping sauce. This has cilantro, soy, ginger, sesame, scallion and pepper. Yeah, it's good.
Your ancestors and your forefathers
They would be proud.
would be proud.